What if your engagement party didn't just celebrate a ring, but celebrated a love story? What if the moment guests walked in, they felt romance in the air, joy in every corner, and the beginning of something truly beautiful? An engagement party is more than a gathering. It's the very first celebration of a lifetime together. It's the moment where love is announced, shared, and surrounded by the people who matter most. Imagine soft lighting glowing across the room, delicate florals layered with texture, tables styled with intention, personalized details everywhere you look, and a space that feels intimate, romantic, and unforgettable. Today, we're creating engagement party decorations that feel elegant, meaningful, and emotionally rich. Decor that turns a simple celebration into the first chapter of your wedding journey.
Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started.
Why are decorations so important for an engagement party? Engagement party decorations set the emotional foundation for everything that follows. They create the first visual memory of the couple's journey toward marriage. This celebration is where excitement meets intention. Decorations help transform the moment from an announcement into an experience. They tell guests that this love story matters and deserves to be celebrated beautifully. When decor is thoughtful, guests feel the significance of the moment the second they arrive. They sense the joy, the romance, and the promise of what's to come. Decorations turn emotions into atmosphere, making the engagement party feel meaningful rather than ordinary. If you love meaningful celebrations, tap like and celebrate love with us. What color palettes work best for engagement party decor? Engagement party colors should feel romantic, elegant, and timeless. They should reflect love while remaining soft and welcoming. Neutrals like ivory, beige, and soft gray create a calm, sophisticated base. Blush tones bring warmth and romance. White symbolizes new beginnings and purity. Gold accents add celebration, sparkle, and a sense of importance. Some couples choose muted pastels for a dreamy feel, while others prefer bold jewel tones for drama and richness. The key is harmony. When the colors flow naturally, the entire celebration feels intentional, elevated, and emotionally balanced. Subscribe for more romantic decor and celebration inspiration. How can lighting completely transform an engagement party space? Lighting is what turns decor into emotion. It sets the mood and shapes how the entire space feels. Soft lighting creates intimacy and warmth, making guests feel relaxed and connected. Candles add romance and movement through gentle flicker. String lights bring a magical glow that feels celebratory yet cozy. Well-placed lighting highlights decor elements while softening the room. It encourages conversation, laughter, and connection. Lighting doesn't just illuminate, it creates atmosphere, making the engagement party feel personal and unforgettable. Check the description for lighting ideas used in this engagement party setup. How can florals elevate engagement party decorations? Florals are the heart of romantic decor. They symbolize beauty, growth, and new beginnings. Soft arrangements add elegance without overwhelming the space. Seasonal blooms keep the decor fresh and intentional. Greenery brings natural movement and softness. Whether displayed on tables, entryways, or backdrops, florals connect every element together. They soften hard lines, add texture, and create visual flow. Flowers make the space feel alive, just like the love being celebrated. Save this video to your playlist for floral styling inspiration. How can personalized decor make the engagement party more meaningful? Personalized decor turns decoration into storytelling. It makes the celebration feel unique to the couple. Signs with names, dates, or meaningful phrases add emotional value. Photo displays celebrate the journey that led to this moment. Custom details remind guests why this celebration matters. Personal touches make the party feel intimate rather than staged. They turn decor into memory markers, moments guests remember long after the party ends. Check the description for personalized decor ideas featured here. How can backdrops and focal areas enhance the celebration? Focal areas guide the energy of the party. They give guests a place to gather, photograph, and celebrate. Decorated backdrops create visual moments worth capturing. Statement walls highlight the importance of the occasion. Layered textures add depth and elegance. A well-designed focal point becomes the emotional center of the party. It frames memories and gives the celebration a sense of structure and purpose. Comment what kind of backdrop you love: floral, fabric, or minimal. How can engagement party decor reflect the couple's personality? The best engagement party decor feels personal, not generic. It reflects who the couple is together. Some couples prefer modern elegance. Others lean toward romantic vintage charm. Some love bold statements, while others embrace soft minimalism. When decor reflects personality, the celebration feels authentic. Guests feel closer to the couple because the space tells their story visually. Check the description for different decor styles shown in this celebration. How can small decorative details elevate the engagement party experience? Small details are where emotion lives. They're what guests notice up close and remember later. Thoughtful accents add charm and personality. Subtle textures bring depth and warmth. Coordinated decor ties everything together seamlessly. These details don't shout. They whisper care, love, and intention. They turn a beautiful space into an unforgettable one. Save this video to your playlist for engagement party detail ideas. How do engagement party decorations bring people together emotionally? Decorations create shared experience. They set the stage for connection, laughter, and joy. A beautifully styled space invites guests to relax and celebrate fully. It encourages conversation and emotional presence. It makes the moment feel important and worthy of attention. When decor is intentional, love feels tangible. The engagement party becomes more than a party. It becomes a memory everyone carries forward. Subscribe now for more romantic celebrations and decor inspiration. And that is how you create unforgettable engagement party decorations. Elegant, emotional, and filled with meaning. This is decor that celebrates love. Decor that honors a new beginning. Decor that turns a moment into a memory. Let the lights glow softly. Let the florals speak romance. Let every detail reflect joy and intention. Because this isn't just a party. It's the first celebration of forever.